Hi guys, so I'm doing a head wrap tutorial today. So this head wrap that I'm using is just for inside, guys, so ignore the white residues on it. So I'm just putting it to add volume to the hair, like how I did. You just need to twist it around. Then this one is the main head wrap that we are using, so that's the one that I will just twist it once, I'll wrap it once, and then I'll go and tie it at the back. When I tie it at the back, then the remaining ones I'll just bring it in front to tuck it in. That's what I'm doing. Don't forget to subscribe to my videos. I post about head wraps, makeup and hair tutorial, and check more of my videos.